Want to tap into the legendary wisdom of Warren Buffett and one of the most successful companies in history? Let's learn how to invest in Berkshire Hathaway step by step. First, you'll need a brokerage account. Think of this like your gateway to the stock market if you don't have one. You'll need to open an account with a reputable online broker, like Robinhood, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or ETRADE. Research them to find one that fits your needs. Opening an account is usually straightforward. You'll typically need to provide basic personal information, like your name, address, social security number, and employment status. You'll also need to link a bank account to fund your investments. Once your account is approved and funded, navigate to the trading section in the search bar, type Berkshire Hathaway. You'll likely see two main ticker symbols, BRKA for Class A shares and BRK.B for Class B shares. Class A shares are famously expensive, often trading for hundreds of thousands of dollars per share. Class B shares are much more affordable, making them accessible to most individual investors. For most people starting out, Class B, BRK.B, is the way to go. Now decide how many shares you want to buy. For a beginner, consider starting small. Then, choose your order type. A market order will buy shares at the current best available price, while a limit order lets you set a maximum price you're willing to pay. Review your order carefully and confirm. Congratulations, you've just taken a step towards owning a piece of Berkshire Hathaway. Why invest in Berkshire? It's a holding company with a vast portfolio of businesses, from insurance giants to energy and retail. Owning shares means benefiting from their diversified strengths, proven management, and a history of long-term value creation. And that's how you invest in Berkshire Hathaway. Happy investing!